Hello and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today I'm going to show you how to set up any quick access with this button right here. If you press it, the flashlight turns on. Now let me show you how to change this. It is very simple and easy. Not only it can be the flashlight, it can also be other features on the iPhone 16. So without further ado, let's go into the video. First, we must go to settings. Inside settings, look for action button. Here you will have many options you can program for this red button. This button is now common in iPhone 16 and also in other models. Switch between silence. This feature allows us to switch between silence and ring for calls and notifications. Focus. This feature allows us to silence notifications and filter distractions. Camera. This feature also allows us to open a camera right away. Visual lookup gets details and information about what you see around you. Flashlight, turn on the flashlight, of course. Voice memos, record personal notes or music ideas. Music recognition with Shazam, identify the song that it is playing. Translates phrases or conversation with someone in another language. Now let us test the translate option. We select it and then we open the app. The app asks for first time setup. We say not now to share audio recordings. Now we translate from English to Spanish. I say I am recording a video with an Android. The translations shows estoy grabando un video en un Android. Now let us try the other way. From Spanish to English, I say estoy grabando este video con un teléfono Android. The translations shows I am recording this video with an Android iPhone. Now we can copy it and expand it or save it as a favorite. This is very useful. Remember, you can always go back to action button settings and change it again. There are many more options: accessibility, controls, shortcuts, magnifier or search songs. For now, I will put it back to flashlight. Now you know how to set up the quick action buttons on iPhone 16e. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you like it, please give us a like, leave a comment and share this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.